Hello, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to my free CJ affiliate, also known as Commission Junction Review. I'm not an affiliate. I don't get paid to do this review. I'm not being sponsored in any way. I do it to help people make an informed decision. I've been helped along the way. I just want to give back. But before we start, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video, because I have a very special gift for you that can change your life. It's changed my life. So let's start. CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, is one of the oldest and largest affiliate marketing networks. They're renowned for its vast network of advertisers and publishers. It offers a comprehensive platform for managing affiliate partnerships, making it a popular choice for both advertisers and affiliates. Here's some key strengths, okay? CJ Affiliate boasts a wide and diverse range of platform selections from various industries, including e-commerce, travel, finance, and more. This provides affiliates with ample opportunities to find suitable programs. The network's robust tracking technology is generally reliable, ensuring accurate tracking of sales and conversions. CJ Affiliate operates on a global scale with a global reach, allowing affiliates to reach audiences worldwide. The platform offers a suite of comprehensive tools, including deep linking, coupon management, and performance reporting to help affiliates optimize their campaigns. Here's some potential considerations, okay? Due to its size and popularity, CJ Affiliate can be highly competitive, especially for popular niches. The platform can have a learning curve, particularly for new affiliates who may need time to familiarize themselves with its features and functionalities. CJ Affiliate has strict policies regarding click fraud and other unethical practices. Adherence to these policies is essential for maintaining a good reputation. That's what's important. CJ Affiliates fees are typically charged to advertisers, not to affiliates. Advertisers pay a commission fee for each sale or lead generated through the affiliate program. However, there might be a few indirect costs for this affiliates. There's a saying, time is money. Well, time is money. Managing your affiliate marketing campaigns requires time and effort. While you won't incur direct fees, there's an opportunity cost associated with time spent on these activities. It takes time to put stuff together. There may be a website or blog expense. If you need to create or maintain a website or blog to promote affiliate products, there might be associated costs like domain registration, hosting, and content creation. It's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of specific programs within CJ Affiliate to understand any additional fees or requirements that may apply. But overall, CJ Affiliate is a reputable and well-established affiliate marketing network that offers a wide range of programs and robust tools. However, its suitability depends on individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a comprehensive platform with a vast network of advertisers, CJ Affiliate could be a good option. To make an informed decision, it's recommended to research specific programs. Explore the programs available on CJ Affiliate to find those that align with your niche and audience. Read reviews. Check online reviews from other affiliates to get a sense of their experiences with the network. Consider your goals. Evaluate whether CJ Affiliates' features and capabilities meet your specific affiliate marketing objectives. So, in my opinion, the best online business is affiliate marketing. The upside is passive income, has very low startup costs. You can do it from anywhere. You don't have to buy product or hold inventory. You don't need customer service or a staff. No employees. So to sum this all up, if you're looking to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and you don't know where to start, you should look at my free ebook. It gives you the 3 steps to start a side hustle with high-ticket affiliate marketing without having a product experience or being a tech expert. Do this. Go to my comments and hit the link tomsuniverse.net for your free ebook gift. It costs you nothing. Check it out just to see if affiliate marketing is for you. While you're there, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Maybe even give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And you be safe out there, okay?